Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore. And in today's episode, we will be learning about goat manure. Let us look at how and why you should use goat manure. Goat manure is rich in nitrogen and does not stink. It is milder compared to the cow dung, and it does not burn the plant. It also does not attract unwanted insects and maggots. It composts faster than the cow dung. It is found in pellets. It is easier to handle that way. Now let us look at the cons of goat manure. It contains more weed seeds than the cow dung because the cow has 4 stomachs and the dung is more free of weed seeds than the goat manure. Now let us look at how to use goat manure in your garden. You can use dry goat manure pellets directly in the soil. However, it is always good to use composted manure to reduce harmful pathogens entering the food chain. Now let us look at how to compost goat manure or any manure for that matter. Make a heap of goat manure and add water and expose it to sunlight. You can also cover it with a plastic sheet. Do this for at least a month. A maximum of 3 months will ensure better compost yield. Toss the heap every week to help with aeration. Alternately, you can use it in a bucket full of water and let it ferment. And keep it for at least a month. Cover it with a lid. I will be showing the process at the end of this video. Some precautionary measures must be taken while using all kinds of manure. Do not use any manure directly onto your vegetable patches. Ornamental plants can still take fresh manure. Do not use the droppings of meat-eating animals like dogs and cats because the chances of pathogens spreading in these animal droppings are higher. Chicken droppings are also considered toxic, so do not use chicken droppings if you do not have much information on where it is coming from and which farm is selling you the chicken dropping. Because it is now seen that a lot of farms are using antibiotics in their chickens, and what is happening is that it is entering the food chain and people are becoming resistant to certain infections. So to avoid that, always know the origins of your manure. Now let us talk about this product that I got from Amazon. I think they've also added a little bit of cow dung. So I am not really happy with this product. So I think you should probably go for a better brand like maybe a Pepper Agro or other known brands rather than buying such unknown manure. But I will give this a try and let us see. Now we will be looking at how to ferment or compost the goat manure. Thank you for watching Urbanscape Bangalore.